Good morning. I'm Musa Salleh, Head of Sustainable Forest Management Division of Sabah Forestry Department. My nature of works more on matters related to forest management planning, forest management certification, forest fire management, and also involved in evaluation of environmental impact assessment report. Generally, I am of the opinion that we have achieved our technical mission's objectives regarding natural resources and environmental management sustainability. As a general overview of the study tour, we have learned about optimizing the utilization and marketing of waste wood products through visit to tropical salvage, tree planting initiative by landowners, technology and manufacturing mass timber production, such as cross-laminated timber (CLT) and mass plywood production (MPP). For example, they are using computerized equipment in producing CLT. Environmental sustainability in terms of creating green nucleus within community land through visit to Granville Land Trust. Besides that, through our visit to World Forestry Center, we learn about emphasizing environmental education to children to conserve forests sustainably, and we observe that public awareness on cleanliness in Oregon is very high. We observe that their waste management is excellent. Besides that, they are also good in protecting their rivers. In terms of nature parks management, most of their national parks are free to public to enter. I think this can be implemented maybe because of high public awareness to protect their conservation areas. For example, vandalism in their national park is not an issue. Their signage made with high quality material and very informative. They also provide good accessibility to national parks areas. For example, accessibility to Crater Lake National Parks, Mary's Peak, and Redwood State Park through asphalt route. Using high technology in research and development, for example, using computerized equipment to do wood identification up to species level quickly in just a few minutes. Applied research on natural resources, such as for wildlife, for example, study on animal stress, research on fish sustainability, example salmon and sturgeon hatchery, and research on lamprey, and also formulating fishing regulation, for example, based on the result of their research. As for forest fire management, through visit to Oregon State University or ASU and Ashland City Park, we learn about forest fire awareness program and prescribed burning to reduce risk of forest fire by reducing fuel load, and producing green energy from dam through visit to Bonneville Dam at Columbia River. It was interesting because they also conducted a lot of initiatives to protect the river, including salmon. Volunteerism culture, including among pensioners, where they involved in monitoring of nature parks, as well as trail construction and maintenance. Finally, we learn about organizing an event in a simple, cost-effective, and practical way through our visit to Oregon Zoo, where they were celebrated International River Day. Besides that, I think the most impact lesson of the study tour include implementation of tree planting activities by landowners. They are not worried about long gestation period of planting tree. For example, Douglas fir that will take about 60 years to harvest. They plant the trees for the future generation. Secondly, using high technology and manufacturing mass timber such as cross-laminated timber (CLT) and mass plywood production (MPP) for building construction. I think this is good to venture here in Sabah, particularly in strengthening development of wood-based industry to support the state government initiative. Based on this technology, it is expected that it will increase the utilization of our planted timber. Besides that, utilization and marketing of waste wood production can also be considered in strengthening our wood-based industry. The third one, providing good access, for example, asphalt route to national parks, and involvement of volunteers in assisting parks management and implementing activities such as monitoring and trail construction and maintenance. Then the fourth one, high public environmental awareness to protect environment, such as cleanliness and waste management. Finally, I would like to thank the Chief Conservator of Forests, Dr. Marshal Muhammad Jaini, for giving me an opportunity to be one of the delegates of this technical mission. I would also like to thank Head of Delegation, Dr. Robert Mitchell, and Oregon State University, and other institutions and personnel in USA to make our study tour possible and meaningful. Thank you.